Hello guys, welcome to Sherpa on road. Today in this video I am going to change the rear brake pad of my Himalayan 450. I am going with Ngage Ultimate Plus semi-ceramic pads because Royal Enfield one is expensive. You can see the odometer running. It has covered the 6,800 kilometers on rear brake pad. It's slightly better for this heavy motorcycle. Let's go and change this. I'm going with this Ngage Ultimate Plus ceramic pads. These are very good for city usage and these cost only 1400 rupees, half of the original price. You can see the rear brake pads. Those are Brembo pads. पूरा घिस चुका है दोनों pads. To remove those pads, you have to remove this pin first. So easy. Put a plier and keep that up. The pin will come out. We have to keep this pin for locking. After removing that pin, we need to push up pin. We put it the hole on that and we have to hammer it until the pin comes out. Look carefully how I am doing this. Put the flare, tap it with hammer. Slowly it comes back, just like that. Don't overforce it. Remove the pin, take it out, clean the needle and clean the brake pad surface area for better braking. Now we have to carefully remove these old pads. Just pull back, they will come easily like this, just like that. Okay, now for another one, this left side is little bit tight. We can see the brake pads, they are completely worn out. These are the new brake pads. You can see the quality. After removing the pads, we have to clean the disc and disc rotor with the soap water. It's very important for the braking performance. I clean every 500 kilometers. Still brake worn out this fast. Take a wash cloth and spray it until it become rough. Clean the surface pad and the rear wheel disc rotor. Question everything. We need to remove these metal plates from the old disc, both sides, and clean these plates and put it to the new brake pads. These are easy fit, just like that, and lock those side pins. It's ready to use. Don't forget to add these metal plates before adding new disc pads. Before adding new brake pads, we have to move this caliper backwards. This is a movable caliper, so we have to make space for new pads. See, like this, it moves backward and frontward, and we need to push that piston back side to add a brake pad. Do not press. I will repeat. Do not press the brake lever when you remove the pads. Like this, we have to push that backward piston. See, it's going back. Don't do it roughly, it will make damage your wheel. So do it carefully. Yeah, you can see that will make a gap. Now add the disc. We have to put that side first, so I'm going to push this again. See carefully how I am adding the new disc pad. After pushing that backward, you will hear the click sound after it goes to its place. My hand is sweating so much. Yeah, now we have to push the pad and the rotor same time to add a brake pad. Push it to its place until you hear a click sound and arrange those holes in the same order. After adding these, we have to add this needle we removed before. Yeah, it's good. We have to add that pin we removed before for holding the pad and the rotor. It's not as complicated as this looks, it's easy. Yeah, here we go. Just like that, we added one side of the brake pad. Now for the another. Yeah, this pad is on its place. Now see it carefully, there is a round piston ring inside right side of the disc pad. We need to push it backwards. For I am using a mini tester to push that rod back. It's gone completely. You can see that the piston ring has moved backwards. Now we can add the new disc pad easily. I repeat, don't press the brake in this process. Now I am adding the second right side disc brake pads. Yeah, it's on its place. Now we need to add that needle back again. We had to align all the 4 holes on a same direction. Now we have to push the rotor again to its original place. Now we have to hammer it from that side to lock that pin. I have hammered it out. Now we have to add that locking pin. It's easy, push and it's locked. Yeah, here we go, it's on its place now. Don't come back, we can check this by rotating that pin. The shaft will rotate with the pin. It means it has locked perfectly. Now both disc pads are on this place. It's locked perfectly. Wheel is running. To check the shaft with rotating this pin, it means it's on the bike, running smoothly. Braking is working perfectly like before. It's working. Please do like and subscribe for more DI videos on Himalayan 450.